back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima, and my channel is all about DIY, home decor and lifestyle. And in today's video I'm going to make a beautiful DIY for my kitchen, and I have used a 2.5mm thick MDF board. But instead of that, if you do not have MDF board with you, you can use a thick cardboard. So if you guys enjoy this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Are you going to make this for your kitchen also? Let me know in the comment down below. So see you in the next week with another DIY project. Till then, take care. Bye bye.